guys, welcome to my channel, The Telangana Girl Hustle Bustle. Hope you guys are doing fine and safe. Today I'm going to show you some of the home decor items that I have picked up recently from Home Center and Westside. Let's start with the items. The first item that I have picked up is this cute mini open dustbins. These can also be used as plant potters if we keep holes to this. So I got these at a price of 60 rupees. This is how it looks. I got them in 4 different colors: red, grey, brown and blue. So they are also available in different other colors too, like black and white. This is how the size of the dustbin looks like. It has enough space inside. I picked up these from Home Center. The next product I purchased is the set of hot packs. I got 3 of these. I got these from Home Center too. I got these at a price of around 1000 rupees. They come in 3 different sizes. This is the small one. This is how it looks. This is the smallest one of all. We have 3 sizes in this. The second one is of this size. And the third one, we have the bigger one in this size. I got these from the brand Milton. The next product that I got is this mini flask. This is of the brand Signoraware. This is around 400 ml. This can be used to store your hot water or tea, coffee, etc. Next, I got a set of steel bowls from Home Center. This is priced at 600 rupees. These can be used to serve sambar, chutney, etc. Let me show you how these look. This is how the size of the bowls look. I got 4 of these in a single pack. Next, I got a couple of wall clocks from Home Center as they are running a sale of around 70% off in the wall clock section. So this is the first wall clock that I got. This has a beautiful wooden frame with blue and floral prints inside. This is how it looks. This is from the Home Center in-house brand. It runs with a single battery and all the clocks in Home Center comes with 1-year warranty. The next wall clock that I picked is this double-sided station clock. This comes in a beautiful beige and gold color finish. So it comes like this with a hook to stand this and a handle to make this. This is the handle for this. It also comes with a screw system to get this attached. So this is how we should fix it to this. So this is a double-sided clock. We have numbers here and the Roman numbers in the other side. This is how this clock looks. Next, I got the set of clock and mirror. It looks like this. This is a 2-piece set. One is the clock and the other one is a mirror. They come in antique finish. All the clocks in Home Center are mostly of very lightweight and the finishing is too good. So this is how the clock looks. Let me show you the mirror that we got along with this set. This is the mirror that we get. So this is how the mirror looks. And this is the clock. You can use this as a set. Next, I got a couple of jewelry organizers from Home Center. These are of glass finish. Let me show you how they look. I got these at a price of 300. They are in sale too. The MRP of this is around 899 rupees. So this is how it looks. complete jewelry organizer. This is how it looks. So it is openable from both the sides. Here you can place your chains and here you can place your earrings, and this opens up from the other side as well, like this. So you can hang your long chains here and you can use your earrings for this. This is how it looks. You can easily store about 20 pairs of earrings and couple of chains in this. This is one of the best buys for the jewelry organizers if you are looking for one. I got a pack of cloth pins from Home Center. These are the plastic pins. I got these at a price of 99 and it contains 10 pins. So I got a couple of these cloth peg packs. The next I got a couple of organizing baskets from Home Center. These are of very big size and you can usually use it for organizing your toys, chargers and even for storing any items. This is how it looks. This is of nice brown color. I got a couple of these. Next I got this plastic masala box to store your spices and dry fruits. I got this in Westside. This is how it looks. So this spice box has 7 bowls and a container lid like this. This is how it looks. I think the price of this is around 200 rupees. The next I got the set of juice jars. This is in the blue color. This is how they look. They come with a straw along with this. This is how it looks. Pack of 2. So you get 2 of these. This is priced at around 200 rupees too. Next I got this little fun game from Westside Home. This is the cross and knots game. This is made of wood and I think this is priced at around 400 rupees on a sale. I got this game just because we are all working from home and just as a little stress buster you can play these kind of little indoor games when you're working from home. Westside Home is running a sale for about up to 50% off on all of their products. So I got couple of coffee mugs from there. I already have these in other colors. I got them in grey and pink colors now. These can be used to sip your coffees easily and hot teas. These are made of ceramic and can be used to put your liquid hot. I also got their Pani bottle. This is one of the best buys and most picked from Westside. I got this in peach color. This comes with a steel cap like this and can be used to store your hot water. This is how it looks. I think this is priced at 799 rupees and this product is not on sale currently. Next I got a couple of coffee mugs from Westside Home. They have come in different prints like this, make today awesome, etc. Let me show you how this looks. I think this is priced at 399 rupees. This is how the cup looks like. These are their vintage collection and it comes with gold handle like this. This is how the cup looks. The other 2 cups that I got also have this beautiful quotes like crafted for a purpose. This is in cute violet color. The next blue cup that I have says your only limit is your mind. So this is how the vintage quotes look like in these cups. These are also one of the most bought products in Westside Home. That's it for my today's video guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the Telangana Girl Hustle Bustle. Stay happy, stay positive.
This is the quick look of the products that I have bought.